I'm with my friend Jose today. We are at Geelong waterfront. We will be doing video comparisons of GoPro 7 Black and Osmo Pocket. finally sunny and the sun is so good. I'm here at where we mentioned doing a time-lapse video with GoPro 7. While I wait for the GoPro 7 to do the time-lapse, I will be doing the audio test with Osmo Pocket. This is the audio coming from Osmo Pocket. And I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who donated towards my homeless charity. It's really kind of you. Thank you once again. If you don't know about the homeless charity that I have been working on, I'll put the link below. Yep, this is the audio straight from Osmo Pocket. Out of the two cameras, which one do I think is the best camera? To be honest, they are both special in their own ways. It just depends with what you really want to do with it, because GoPro 7 it's an action camera. It's focused all throughout, and so with DJI Osmo Pocket, it's more like cinematographic shots where you can, you know, move and focus from this to that and all that. So at the end of the day, it just depends with what you want to do. But for me, I think GoPro is pretty cool because I'm just lazy. Let me guess, by now you have made up your mind which one you think is better, right? Let me show you some of the accessories that I use. I picked up this DJI Osmo Pocket mount, which allows you to put it on a helmet or head mount or chest mount. Pretty cool, but kind of restricting. I'll get back to it in a sec. And I've also picked up this Phottix multi-flash mount, which is designed for flashes, so that you will be able to mount two flash on light stand and have two flash firing at the same time. But I was able to remove the flash mount and attach this GoPro mount, and I was able to attach the GoPro and the Osmo at the same time and did all the shots together so that I don't have to redo it again. And this is amazing. I'll put the link below. It looks like this with the mount. You won't be able to attach the mobile to it, as I mentioned before. One thing I don't really like about Osmo is this. It's kinda wobbly, and I don't like that. I wish it was a little bit stronger, but it's safe. They say it's safe, it doesn't fall out, but it's just a little bit, you know, you got that play in it. One thing I don't really like about GoPro 7 is low light compared to Osmo Pocket. And the other thing that I wish they had was the access to power bank without having to remove the case and also the water resistant cover, so that, you know, you will be able to connect the power bank and do day to night time lapse and stuff, because you don't want to be removing the battery and put the other battery, because there is always chances of you shaking the camera or having a different angle. Yeah, apart from that, I'm pretty happy with GoPro 7. It's well built. There is more chances of this surviving if you drop compared to Osmo Pocket. Today marks 30 days since I did the intro video. You may see some different. I cleared my face. I have been traveling throughout and did different kind of comparisons. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I will see you next week.